In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into a Fortinet firewall. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or just getting started, accessing the Fortinet firewall is a crucial skill for managing network security. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring that you can log in smoothly and manage your firewall settings with confidence. First, you need to start by navigating to your Fortinet login page. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL associated with your Fortinet device in the address bar. This might be a specific IP address or a domain name provided by your network administrator. Once the page loads, you should see the Fortinet login interface. Next, you'll want to locate the FortiCloud login option, which is typically found in the top selection menu. Clicking on this option will direct you to the Fortinet Cloud login page, where you'll have the flexibility to choose between different login methods. This is a handy feature for those who might have multiple accounts or user roles. Now, it's time to decide how you'd like to log in. Fortinet offers two primary login options: email user or IAM user. If you're logging in as an email user, simply enter your registered email address and the corresponding password. If you're using IAM credentials, you'll need to enter your IAM user ID and password. This distinction allows for greater flexibility and security, catering to both individual users and larger organizations with more complex access needs. Once you've determined your login method and entered your credentials, you'll need to fill in the fields as prompted and proceed with the verification steps. This might involve entering a one-time password sent to your email or phone, or answering security questions, depending on how your account is configured. These verification prompts are in place to ensure that your account remains secure, preventing unauthorized access and safeguarding your network. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be logged into your Fortinet firewall. It's important to familiarize yourself with the interface and explore the various tools and settings available, which will help you maintain a secure and efficient network environment. Remember to log out of your session when you're done to keep your account secure. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your network administrator or consult the Fortinet support resources available online. Thank you for watching and happy networking.